Uri urenda giturwa kia gavana kaunti-ini ya Narok Patrick Ole Ntutu niareketie kwamura munini wake uria mekumatha kura mari hamwe. Ntutu uri urarugama na tigiti wa kiama kia UDA amurite Matthew Kipkiruirono uria ni engineer na wa ukuru wa miaka 30 ta munini wake.
I wish to announce the nomination of the next deputy governor that will work closely with me. The team settled on engineer Matthew Kipkorir-Kirui.
And I'm glad to have been nominated as an incoming deputy governor under the UDA and the Kenya Kwanza.
Ntutu oigite gitumi giake kwamura mundu mwithi ta munini wa governor ni kuhe andu ethi kamweke ka utongoria kuona bururi uri na andu aingi ethi athomu na mena meciria ma gukuria bururi.
Who is an engineer by profession and age 30. I want to assure the youth of Narok County that I will always have you in my plans and vision.
Because we are unveiling a new dawn for Narok County. The Kenyan youth and the entire Narok County are proud today because the change is on the horizon.
Andu ethi aria mari kigomano-ini giki ni matugiirie ikinya ria Ntutu kwamura umwe wao.
Ninapongeza Ntutu kwa sababu amejua kwamba asilimia ya watu wa Narok, asilimia 70 ni vijana.
The people of Narok, we are a county that we want to include everybody in our leadership. That is why we settle on Kirui, knowing that our county is cosmopolitan and we are going to include everybody.
Governor Samuel Ole Ntutu uri urariki kirikaria kierita governor wa Naroko ni atugiirie wamuri uyu warono ta munini wa governor wa Ntutu akimatigira irathimo cia kuyukia giturwa kiu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.